Living a fantasy, I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy, the ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside a dream, I say where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a toothpick. Man, to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Morning guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucidi for those of you who don't know, and welcome back. I don't know, this is like a mixed video, half maintenance, half vlog. So do my nails. I'm just gonna insert a clip while I was doing my nails, and then I also did my toenails. So right now I'm actually eating and watching Young Sheldon. I'm having some noodles. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm having some noodles. I actually got these noodles from a Chinese shop. At the shopping center right here. So I don't know how they taste, but I put in a little bit of my own things. I put some cheese, and then I put some onions, and then I also put Durban curry spices from Maggi noodles. Then I just put them in here just so that the taste is not so unfamiliar. But guys, I'm very scared of trying new things, like when it comes to food, so that's why I just want at least a little bit to be familiar. So yeah, as you can see, it's in the morning right now, and my makeup is done, my hair is done. Guys, it's because I was actually taking a video for a brand, and it was like a foundation, well, it's like a foundation skin tint type of thing. So here to show you guys the PR box that I got from it, and I also got a PR box from She Glam. So remind me guys to show you those PR boxes. And yeah, my hairstyle is so cute, but this styling gel is not that strong, but there's a difference now that I blow dried it. If you guys saw my TikTok where I was actually talking about the styling gel, it's the soften free one, and I thought I should just give it another try. I was blow drying it the second time, like today, so it's a bit more tighter, and I'm impressed. It's not that bad, and hopefully it doesn't flake. But it didn't hold my hair at the back whatsoever, so my edges are still in place, unlike the last time. The last time I didn't blow dry it. So yeah, let me just eat, and then we'll get into the unboxing, or yeah, not unboxing, but like the PR package haul type of thing.
I want another cross. I want my... And that is exactly why she... Yeah. Interested in getting rich quick?
Guys, I told you that I'm on top of business. I just took my first batch of photos, and also I'm almost done cooking, so I'm multitasking basically. And the time is 2:28, so I have an hour and 30 minutes until I go. That's a long time, child. I look so skinny. Am I this skinny? I didn't even edit yet. Gotcha. This thing is not for the weak. I literally just left this thing because it wasn't working out. The only outfit that I ate was the dress. Honestly, I don't have clothes anymore. I gave away a bunch of my clothes, of which I do that every year. So I don't understand what's happening. But anyways, I feel as though I need more tops and definitely just more clothes, because I just keep reshuffling what I have and it's getting a bit boring. So I need to spice things up, get a bit more accessories too, because I feel like I don't have accessories whatsoever. I need accessories. And also, I don't know why, but my makeup is making me look skinny. I'm so overwhelmed right now, and like, I don't know, I'll just see. But right now I'm gonna have to get out the house to go get my brothers. I'm just gonna head out, do what I need to do, come back, finish editing, and send the, actually let me send the invoice now. I don't know, maybe I should send it when I come back. I don't want to rush things now. Yeah, so I'll send it when I come back. Let's just go, because wow, let's go. I'm about to leave. Well, I'm leaving now, so I'll check you guys when I get back. So I'll see you guys when I get back, or when I'm there just waiting for them to come out or something. So yeah, let's go. Come to the car, and I was like, why? He's like, he wants to eat in the car. And then I'm like, okay. Then we came to the car. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
So we're here just waiting for Hanya to come back. Yo, it's hot now.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my vlog.
What's a note? Okay, I'll see.
Yeah, so we're just gonna drive back home now. Yo, hi, it's hot. I can't.
I'm going to check.
Check what?
If the lights are on.
No, I switched them off.
Oh.
I think they're coming back now. I hope they're coming back.
Who?
Hanya and oh, there's Hanya. See you guys at home. So I've made a plan, and what I'm gonna do is cook. Oh, this fly is so annoying. What I'm gonna do is cook and then take my content quickly, 30 minutes job. Also cooking, it has to be really quickly. A win is a win. A win is a win. So let's get it going. Cha, I'm tired. And it's hot. It's too hot, honestly. So I just bought, I feel so fresh. Guys, I need to restock on my perfumes, because can you see it's almost finished? Oh. But this one's mostly for the winter, but it's also getting to half. And then this one, as you guys can tell, I love it, and it's almost finished. This is Barakat. It's supposed to be Baccarat, but it's Barakat because it's the dupe. It's the dupe. And I get the dupes from China Mall, by the way. As you can see, this one is my favorite one. Like, it's literally almost finished. 2 more times, not even 2 more times, guys, this is a lot. Like 5 more times and I'm done. I need to restock. By the way, the ones that I've showed you thus far, I got them from China Mall, This one's in sweet and fresh. I love it, but like not all the time. And then I have this one. This is also really cute. My mom got me a perfume. This one is from Rage. My mom got me a perfume like this when I was 18 or 17, I'm not sure. From Rage, by Rage, and I fell in love with it, so I had to get it some more. But it was not this one because the other one was finished, so I don't know if they don't stock it anymore or what. And then there's this beach bum. This one's from Cotton On. I love it when I'm just like, I don't even know, but like when the occasion is not too big, maybe like a picnic or something. And yeah, those are my perfumes, and I need to try other perfumes. Hey guys, the amount of tired that I am, you can't explain it. Nobody can explain it. But I'm done with my hair. This is how it looks. So beautiful, so clean. And I did it in my neighborhood, so that's a win. If you discover it for yourself, then that's perfect. But I'm not telling anybody where I did this. I'm sorry. Yeah, I actually just want to bath right now, and then like after bathing I can explain everything. And I was so pissed today in the morning, like but I'll tell you when I'm done bathing, because I feel like or something. Like I've been gone since the morning and it's hot in Johannesburg, so I'm just gonna go bath and then I'll see you guys when I'm done to explain exactly what went on. Hey guys, so I just took a shower. I feel so much better. I feel fresh. I feel good. So you guys are probably wondering, like, Lisette, what are you talking about? Like, where were you? What were you doing? Okay, I decided to go do my hair, but initially I wanted my friend to do it, so that's why I've been postponing, because I just wanted her to do it. So I was like, okay, let me just go do my hair, because I'm gonna postpone until when. And then I go to the shopping center. I go to the salon where I did my nails. Well, I get there and I ask, like, is it full? Like, respectfully, is it full? And how long am I going to wait? And they're like, no, sit down. You know how they are, really. They'll just tell you to sit down. Like, can't you just be honest? Well, there's at least 5 people in front of you. Just be honest. I sat there for 1 hour and I was becoming so impatient, and I just upped and left. I did not even say anything, because that is what they deserve. They've been quiet the whole time I've been there. That whole 1 hour, they didn't even show me the mercy to tell me who I'm after or how many people are before me. So I just upped and left without saying a word. I just went to the store next door and I got myself some hairpiece. I just bought some hairpiece, and then I went to a salon nearer to my house, and I literally got there and they started immediately. That's the type of service that I need in a salon, guys. Okay, like, if you have a salon and you're reading, or if you have a salon and you're watching this, make sure that people don't wait more than an hour. It can't happen. You know, after an hour you start losing patience. I'm not even kidding. Oh, my battery's gonna die. But yeah, guys, I did my hair. I love it so much, and this lady is perfect. She did it perfectly. That salon was offering wine and just drinks in general, but I had some Sprite, so I just asked for cold water because but anyways, right now I'm just about to go and make some food and a drink, and then I'll just relax. Okay guys, so it's a bit late and I'm thinking about just going inside my bed and start to edit this vlog. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm actually thinking of doing like a sit down, not really a sit down, but a get ready with me. I don't know why my voice sounds so ashed up and faded, but I've been like out the whole day, so probably that's why. So just to get ready with me, I saw a really cool one, and I think it was Aaliyah, sorry. I think it was Aaliyah, or between Aaliyah and Charmaine. I don't know why I'm confusing the two. But yeah, I saw a nice cute get ready with me and I was like, oh, this is such a great idea. Why don't I do it? So here I am. I'm gonna do a get ready with me outfit, hair. Okay, well, hair did, nails did, everything did. Yeah, but well, makeup, hair, and outfit. So yeah.